When you're looking for the best gauge wire for solar panels, everything seems pretty similar. The same flashy images and claims pop up everywhere. But to really understand which wires perform best and why, you have to dig a bit deeper. Product number 1, JXMXRPV10FT Solar Cable. The JXMXRPV solar cable extension is a 10-foot-long, 10 AWG wire that caught my eye for its user-friendly design and price of $18.99. If you want an easy way to extend your solar panel setup, this is worth a serious look. Plus, it's crafted from high-quality materials designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Think UV exposure and moisture. With a solid rating of 4.8 stars from nearly 700 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its reliability. Now, some people complained about the connectors being a bit tight. Here's the thing though, while that might frustrate you during installation, it actually ensures a secure connection. This is perfect for you if you're new to solar installations and want something straightforward. Skip this one if you need a longer cable or a heavy-duty option. For under $20, it offers great value for your solar system's needs. Now, if the shorter length of the JXMXRPV bothered you, the next one might actually be a better fit for you. Product number 2, Aoju DNZ50FT Solar Cable. The Aoju DNZ Solar Extension Cable is a 50-foot option priced at $69.99, and it really stands out with its tinned copper construction. If you're serious about minimizing power loss in your solar setup, this is definitely worth considering. What's impressive is that this cable is designed to minimize resistance, meaning you'll get better electrical conductivity. It's rated to handle temperatures from 194, so whether you're in extreme cold or heat, it holds up well. With a rating of 4.7 stars and over 500 reviews, users rave about its durability and effectiveness in various setups. Some have mentioned that it can be a bit pricier than expected. But here's the thing, investing a bit more means you're getting a cable that could last over 25 years and significantly reduce your energy losses, which can save you money in the long run. This is perfect for you if you have a larger solar installation and need long-lasting performance. Skip this if you're looking for something cheaper and shorter. For the features, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a compact solution. Product number 3, Aoju DNZ30FT Solar Cable. The Aoju DNZ30FT Solar Extension Cable is another excellent choice, priced at $36.99. This one caught my attention for its perfect balance of length and performance. If you want a mid-range option that doesn't skimp on quality, take a look at this. Like its 50FT sibling, this cable also features tinned copper, which helps in reducing oxidation and corrosion. It's made to withstand extreme weather conditions, and with a similar temperature range, it's reliable no matter where you are. It boasts a solid 4.7-star rating, so it's clear users appreciate its performance. However, some users felt the connectors weren't as intuitive as they hoped. But I'll be real with you, once you get the hang of them, they secure tightly and ensure no power losses, which is what you want in a solar setup. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable extension that's easier to manage than longer options. Skip this if you absolutely need the longest cable available. It's a great value considering the quality. Now, if you're looking for something even shorter but still very reliable, let's check out the next option. Product number 4, iGreeley 10FT Solar Cable. The iGreeley Solar Panel Extension Cable comes in at a compact 10 feet and is priced at $18.71. This product intrigued me because it combines quality and affordability. If you need a shorter extension cable that still gets the job done, this is a solid option. What I like about this cable is its weatherproof design, which can handle high and low temperatures as well as UV exposure. It's easy to connect and disconnect, making it a breeze for setting up or adjusting your solar system. With a rating of 4.7 stars from 1,300 reviews, many users are satisfied with its performance. Now, some users did mention that the wires might not be as flexible as they'd like. But honestly, if you're just looking for a straightforward connection without the fuss, this won't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option for smaller solar setups. Skip this one if you need a longer reach. For the price, it's definitely a good buy. Now, if you're looking for a longer option with a bit more gauge, the next one might catch your interest. Product number 5, Renagi 20FT Solar Cable. The Renagi 20FT solar panel extension cable stands out at $24.65, making it an appealing mid-range choice. If you want a reliable cable that offers a good length without breaking the bank, this is one to consider. This cable features hard plastic connectors and is rated TUV for quality assurance. It's UV resistant and waterproof, which is crucial for outdoor use. With a rating of 4.8 stars and over 700 reviews, it's no wonder users trust this for their solar systems. Some users have reported that the cable is a bit stiff. Now here's the thing, while flexibility can be an issue, the robustness often means a more durable connection, which is essential for long-term use. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable solution that balances length and quality. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-flexible. For its reliability and performance, it's worth the price. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 solid options for solar panel wires. The JXMXRPV10FT for budget-friendly flexibility, the Aoju DNZ50FT for power efficiency, the 30FT for that sweet spot of length, the iGreeley 10FT for compact needs, and the Renagi 20FT for reliable mid-range performance. Choose based on your specific needs and you can't go wrong.